You're sleeping, you're doing everything right, and you're still waking up with a brain that feels like it's packed in wet cement. I want you to hear me on this. That's not a sleep problem. There's something building up inside your brain right now that your doctor has never tested for. And once I show you what it is and the one unconventional tool that finally cleared mine, you will never look at brain fog the same way again. Hi, I'm Julie. I'm a registered nurse with over 30 years of experience, and I've personally lived with 3 autoimmune conditions for over 20 years. I know this fog from the inside, and what I'm about to show you is the piece most women with autoimmune brain fog never get told. If you're new here, hit subscribe and let's get into it. Your brain has its own waste disposal system. Most doctors have never mentioned it to you, I am sure. And in women with autoimmune conditions, it's almost always backed up. It's called the glymphatic system. And what happens when it stops working is exactly what you've been feeling. Think of it like a drainage system built specifically for your brain. While you sleep and while you move, it's supposed to flush out metabolic waste, inflammatory proteins, and cellular debris. When it stops flushing, that waste stays in your brain. That heaviness, that slowness, that cotton in your head feeling, that is a backed up drain. I remember standing at the nurse's station mid shift, completely blanking on a word I'd used thousands of times. Me, a nurse with over 3 decades of experience, just gone. And I had no idea why. What I didn't know then, and what your doctor has almost certainly never told you, is that the glymphatic system is heavily activated by one very specific type of input. It's not a supplement, not a diet, something completely different. And something I'm about to show you has the brain scan research to back it up. Here's what makes this different from everything you've already tried. Your brain fog isn't coming from one place, it's coming from three. And most women only know about one. Layer one is the glymphatic congestion. That waste backup we just talked about, your brain cannot think clearly when it's swimming in its own inflammatory debris. Layer two surprised me the most because nobody had ever connected it to my brain fog before. Mitochondrial fatigue. Your brain is one of the most energy hungry organs in your body. It runs on a fuel called ATP produced by your mitochondria. When autoimmune conditions impair that fuel production, and they almost always do, your brain is the first thing to go offline. Slow processing, missing words, thoughts that start and don't finish. That is an underfueled brain, not a broken one. And layer three is the one that finally made everything click for me. Your vagus nerve, the direct communication highway between your gut, your nervous system, and your brain. When it's underactivated, extremely common in women with autoimmune conditions, gut brain signaling breaks down and inflammation goes unchecked. 3 separate layers feeding the same fog. And here's what stopped me cold when I finally found it. There's one tool that addresses all three at the same time. I use the medical grade version of this, and I'll tell you in a moment why that distinction truly matters. The tool is a power plate. It's a medical grade whole body vibration platform. And before your mind goes anywhere near those old vibrating belt machines in the 70s, just stop. That's not even close. The power plate uses acceleration training. It delivers precise controlled vibrations between 25 and 50 times per second. That specific frequency directly activates glymphatic drainage. It also stimulates your lymphatic system, increases circulation, and activates your vagus nerve. All three layers addressed simultaneously. A study published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found whole body vibration improved cognitive function and memory in older adults. But here's the piece of research that I couldn't stop thinking about. MRI brain scans, actual imaging, show that combining power plate with gentle resistance movement enhances brain activity more than sedentary behavior alone. Power Plate's own 24-week data showed measurable improvements in cognitive scores and mental performance. These are brain scans. You can actually see the difference. That link for the Power Plate is in the description below, and it's definitely worth looking at. I started at 10 minutes every morning, barefoot, gentle movement, let the vibration work. Within weeks, words came back faster, the fog started to lift. I want you to hear me on this. I was not expecting that to work that well, being a nurse. And I need to show you exactly how I use it because the protocol matters. This is what worked for me. Work with your own provider for what's right for your body. 10 minutes, but the way you do those 10 minutes matters more than most people realize. I stand on the power plate barefoot, gentle movement, shoulder rolls, light squats. Sometimes I just stand and breathe. The vibration is doing the heavy lifting. And immediately after, do not skip this step, a full glass of water. Vibration moves your lymphatic system, and your body needs hydration to flush what gets released. Skip the water, and you leave the job half done. And here's something that I noticed that I was genuinely not expecting. Doing this before cognitive work like writing, planning, anything requiring mental sharpness made a measurable difference in how clear I felt going in. It primes your brain before you ask it to perform. 10 minutes, water, then work. That's the whole protocol. And what comes next is the part I promised you at the very beginning of the video. Before the close, I did put together my nervous system reset workbook specifically for you. It's free and the link is in the description below. It walks you through the full daily strategies I personally use to calm inflammation, regulate my nervous system, and support mental clarity. It's built for exactly what we've covered today. And I told you at the start, there's something building up inside your brain your doctor has never tested for. Now you know what it is. It's glymphatic congestion, and you know exactly how to start supporting your brain in clearing it. That foggy feeling when you wake up, even after a night of full sleep, that's your glymphatic system telling you it didn't clear enough. That's a signal. And now you know what to do with it. Before you go, I really want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced brain fog that just won't lift no matter what you do? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. And if this video helped you, give it a like and share it with a woman who's been dismissed and told her labs are fine. She's been waiting for someone to tell her the truth. Be that person for her. And remember, your body is not broken, it's burdened. And when you finally understand these burdens, you can finally begin supporting your body in the way it's needed all along. Take care of yourself because you deserve to feel better. And remember, we're all in this together. I'll see you in the next one.